we're doing a rear wiper. 23. Here you go. Use this. Crack it first. It's a 10 mil. You can just barely see where the nut is, or was. Right? So what I did was I just cracked it, or this way, and then got my hand up in there. And then once you loosen that, you push down where the spring part is, and that will rock this guy off. And you see, we can get this puppy out. Why so difficult? Why so dumb? Oh, I got it out. I put the replacement in there. You can do the same thing, just line it back up. Do not break the glass. All right, you want to put this guy back on the rod, if you can see what I'm doing. All right, you can do it, but one hand's a little difficult. It's all about angles, so let me put it on and I'll show you. See? Back on. You want to sort of like get it up over using both hands. You'll hear like a little pop because you're going right over that little rod. And now, get that little 10 mil back on there and I'll show you. You really gotta be ambidextrous to do this one. This is what I did. And then put it on the rod and use your fingers to tighten it up. A little finagling. She's on there. Kind of dumb, but you use it by hand first and get to this guy and crank her down. So here you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.